How to find out who is behind a fake Snapchat account. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to find out who is behind a fake Snapchat account. First, look for clues in the username, profile picture, and any information posted. Sometimes these details can help you identify the person. Interact with the account cautiously. The way they respond might give you hints about their identity. Then, use tools like Google Image Search to see if their profile picture are used elsewhere online. Use Snapchat's in-app reporting feature to alert them about the fake account. If you have mutual friends, ask them if they know the person behind the account. For serious issues like harassment or impersonation, reach out to Snapchat support directly. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.